Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison. Today we're going to be doing the fourth installment of my 7 Deadly Sins series. We're doing Gluttony, so stay tuned if you'd like to see how I do this look. Gluttony. It is the overindulgence or overconsumption of food, water, or even wealthy items. I chose to portray gluttony as the overindulgence, so I wanted to create several different mouths that would devour more than one thing at one time. I start off with foundation and concealing some of the areas that need extra coverage. And then I go in with a face powder just to set everything so it doesn't move around. I'm using an eyebrow pencil just to map out what I'm going to draw on my face. I decided to elongate my mouth and have teeth coming out of the sides of my face, so I'm just mapping it out with an eyebrow pencil so it's easy to wipe away. I was inspired by like a praying mantis, so I wanted to have more of a buggy feel, so that's why I have the lines coming down from my mouth as well as elongating it. I'm taking this blush red shade and I'm just contouring where I put those lines previously, just so it has an irritated effect to the skin, like the teeth have grown in to the face. Now I'm going into this orangey brown shade and I'm just outlining it just to add more definition, like it's actually in the skin than on top of the skin. Wherever you place the darkest shade is where it's going to look the deepest, so I suggest doing it on the tops of the teeth and in the slits of the mouth, making sure to only contour one side of it so you have a top and a bottom. Taking a dark brown shade, I'm concentrating the color on the tops of the teeth as well as the slits of the mouth, just so it looks deeper into the skin. Now I'm going in with a white face paint and I'm just painting in the teeth I do suggest doing this part first, then contouring, just so you have some of the shadows on the teeth and you don't have to go back in like how I had to. Now I'm just shading the tops of the teeth so it actually looks 3D. Now I'm taking that same blush shade from before and I'm just coloring the center and the tops of the Cupid's bow just to create this weird kind of lip shape. I'm going in with an angled brush in that same brown shade from before and I'm just creating lines on my mouth so it helps trick your eye to think that that's actually part of the slit on the mouth. I'm filling in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil and then blend it out. And then I'm going in with concealer underneath the brow. Taking that same red shade from before, I'm just contouring my eye bags just so it looks like I'm very tired and irritated. And then I'm going to go in with that same shade on the top of the eye just to contour the eye. I'm going in with a little bit of a brown shade just to deepen up the inner corners of the eyes. Taking the same brush with all the powders that I used before, I'm just contouring my nose with that red and that brown shade. Going in with my normal contour shade, I'm just contouring my temples as well as underneath my chin. Now I'm just applying mascara to my lashes. I'm taking an eyebrow pencil from before and I'm just creating teeth on my chest. And it is going to look really red, it's just because I have really sensitive skin, but it's just an eyebrow pencil. And I'm just creating these really pointy teeth going inwards from the sides to the center. And I'm continuing the lines from my mouth all the way down to the second mouth. And I'm just contouring them the same way as I did before, starting off with the red and then moving in with the brown shades. And then I'm going in with that white face paint from before, and I'm just applying that to the teeth before I add the brown, so it's a little bit easier and an extra step I don't need to take. And I'm using the same colors that I use on the teeth as well as the new neck part. I don't even know what to call it, the neck slit. Now I'm taking a black face paint and I'm just coloring inside of all the teeth just to create a deeper effect to that mouth. And I'm just taking more white and I'm just adding highlights to the teeth because they got a little muddy when I was adding all the colors. Thank you guys for watching. All my other social media links will be linked down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!